Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Brave. You will go to settings. So in the first page you will go here, then on settings you will find this list. You will go down until you find here apps. Then in this page you will write the name of the application of Brave and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page you will click on storage and then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone, so please don't forget